Look at Bitcoin, guys. From 44,000 to 38,000 during weekends. This is what happened to most weekends on Bitcoin. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a discount for your Binance Futures. Okay, so we're gonna use BNBs. You can see right here, if you use BNBs for fees, you get 10% discount. Okay, after transferring BNB to the futures wallet, you can use BNB to deduct the futures trading fees and enjoy 10% off. You can see most of our long position is gonna be floating, guys, because Bitcoin is dumping now. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how you can transfer BNB to your future wallet and get a discount. So go back to your spot first. Make sure you have some USDT. If you don't have USDT in your spot, you can go buy USDT. So I'm gonna go to trade here. At this top, you wanna search for BNB. Okay, BNB USDT. Just select any of it, guys. And I will choose market. Now this is a good time to buy BNB. You know why? Because the market is down. So BNB is cheap. And you can see BNB is down by almost 5%. So I will just buy, I don't know, 100 BNB. And let's buy BNB. So it say a success. I can go back to my wallet and I will scroll down to see my BNB. There, you can see my BNB is $103 now. I think I will transfer $50 first. Let's use $50 first. You know what? Let's buy another 100 BNB. But I think market will go down even more. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Let's just use 50. Let's just use 50. Go to the top and then click on transfer. And here you want to transfer from spot wallet to USDM futures. Select the coin. Search for BNB. Click on BNB. How many BNB? I will just put maybe 0. I will just use 0.1 at this moment. I'll just confirm it. You can see transfer is successful. Go back to your futures. And you can check it in your asset. You can see right there, you have your BNB. Okay. Now once you have it right here, guys, I think it should be automatically using BNB as a fee. You can check it later. I will show you how you can check it. You can click on this history and then you can click on trade history. Okay. Later you will see your fee. Usually it says open bracket USDT. You should see in a few hours, after you close your position, the fee should be in BNB. Okay. So whenever BNB price goes up, your BNB will be charged less. So if BNB price goes down, you will be charged a little bit more. So at the end of the day, it's the same, guys. It's the same. It's just 10% discount rather than you use USDT. It always follows the price. Okay, it will adjust accordingly. It doesn't mean that if BNB price goes up, you will lose money. No, it's not.